Hello everyone, this is me Mohammed Irfan. In today's video, we will be diving into the overview of Power Apps portals. Before jumping into the development or the customization, it's important to understand what Power Apps portals are and how they work and where they fit into the Microsoft Power Platform ecosystems. So first, we need to familiar with the Power Apps portals. Okay, so this is the Power Apps folders. Here we have the five different sections like the left navigation pane. This is the search and the information settings and the co-pilot in the Power Apps, and this is the building app. This is the home page of the Power Apps basically. So let's move to the Power Apps portals and where we can see each and everything in the detail. So let's move. Yeah. So for the Power Apps, uh, you have to use the URL mac.powerapps.com and with your credentials. Sorry, with your credentials, when it's login, it will navigate to you the Power Apps portals in the home page. So this is the left navigation pane in which we have the different options like the home, like create, learn, apps, and the AI hub. And here we have the different types, more options. So this is the home screens basically. This is the home screen basically. So this is the left navigation bar. This is the search bar, and this is the environment informations. So let's say if you are access or you are able to access the multiple environment, then this is the list of the environment which we populated, and you can select it the desired environment, and you can do your work. So and this is the Copilot, and where you can give your instructions and it will do the accordingly. This is the and this is the area where it's described the your created app or the ability to create your app or design your app basically. So now let's move to the left navigation pane basically and see what are the options and what we can do. So in the left navigations bar, this is the home and this is the create. So this is the create, like the such as the this is option to create the apps and the agents, the flow and the power pages as well. So you can create it. So this is the learning hubs where you can find the Microsoft Power Platform documentations, and this is the apps. If you have created some app or either your team member have created and shared with you, so here we can see we have the three different options. This is the my app, this is the share with me. In this in under this options, whatever apps you have created, it will be listed over here, and if the apps has been assigned or have been shared with you, it will be under over here, and in the all it will be populated all of the apps on which you are accessible. So and this is the AI hub. We can elaborate over the AI related things in our the power apps as well. So this is the AI capability. And same as it is, we have the tables, which is basically showing you the tables of your environment like the Dataverse. Okay, and you can also create your own table, and you can also import and export. Same as it is, this is the flow options. And for example, if you create some flow on like the Power Automate flow or another flow, classic flow, so it will be populated over here. This is the solutions. In the solutions, whenever we have to do some customizations, we have to create the solutions in our environment so that we can changes or we can deploy all the things. It will under come into the solutions. Uh, so it will listed all of the solutions, and in the solutions we have the two different types of the solutions. One is the unmanaged, this is the unmanaged solutions. So we will discuss later on what are the unmanaged and what are the managed solutions. Right now we are just overviewing the Power Apps portals. So in the Power Apps portal we have more options like the websites. It's if you created any website by using the Power Pages, so it will be listed over here. If you have created or if you have developed some agents in your the Power Platform, it will be it's goes to here. Okay, similarities we Power Platform or the Power Apps give you to the monitoring your apps as well. So it will it gives the options to monitoring your you the apps, health, and all the things. This is the catalog, this is the cards, and this is the choices options which can be used in the different model driven apps and the canvas app as well. And this is the connections. If you want to create some connections with your power apps with another application, so it goes over here. And same it is, this is the data flow. And in the more options, we can see this is the all of the options are pinned over here, so that's why it is listed over here. Same it is, this is the search bar. For example, if you want to search in the portal, so you just type and it will be searching from the portals. And as I mentioned, this is the already discussed, like this is the list of the environment on which you are accessible. So it will list to the it will list to the all of the environment which you have been assigned, and you can do your work after selecting your the environment. Okay. And same as it is, this is the this is the area uh, where giving the options, like how can you create an app. Either it will be started with the data or the page design and some templates, and it can be navigate from over here as well. So, and this is the settings options where you can do or manage your settings for your portals. So we have the various options like the admin center, what are the plan you are using, what are the advanced settings, what are the session detail, what are the developer resources, and what power app settings, and the set prefer solutions and all the things. And this is the themes. If you want to change your Power's portal themes, so you can select it over here. If you want to change your password and all the things, and if you want to update your contact preferences. So basically, and this is the login credentials informations, either which credential you are login. If you want to go to the accounts and to the directory, you can easily navigate to it from here. So basically, this is the overview of the Power Apps portals. So we have the variety of the options to do. So yeah, uh, once again, this is just for the overview of the Power Apps portals. And later on, we will discuss like how can we do customizations in your environment, how can we create the solution, how can we create the Canvas app, how can we create the model driven apps, and how can we create the flow and agents and all the things in the upcoming videos. So this is just for the Power Apps overview. You must know about the Power Apps portal, what are the feasibility over here, and what can we do and what can we achieve over here. So, and further, it can be navigate, it can be move up and down as well. And if you want to learn more about this, in on every option you will find the learn more, and it will navigate to the dedicated or the particular document over here. So that's it for the uh, Power Apps overview. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out the upcoming tutorials or the video where we will deep dive into the Power Platform. So thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.